Creating a rocket ship today. First, I want to tell you a joke. How do you put a baby astronaut to sleep? You rock it. This is what we need for our rocket ship. Alka-Seltzer, construction paper, tape, and M&Ms. Empty out the container. Let's decorate our rocket ship. Have your grown-up cut the top off. Just like this, and there's two separate pieces. We need the lead and the tube. Now we use the construction paper. Wrap it around the tube. This is where the tapes come in. Tape the construction paper together. This is a semicircle. We're going to turn it into a cone. I need you to do this. I cannot do this. When you're done, the cone's going to look like this. Tape on your nose cone. The nose cone makes it aerodynamic. Look! Ah! This is looking like a pretty good rocket ship, but we're not done. There's other fins that make the rocket go straight. Now you add the engine part. How it's going to work. The water and the Alka-Seltzer make tiny bubbles. Bubbles make pressure and it pops. Tape the Alka-Seltzer to the lead. Put a little bit of the water in the tube. The bottles.
Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it. Don't touch it, Harper, don't touch it.
Two fins. Two fins. Two fins. Two fins. Where did the drop go?
It dissolved. The other way.